Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Let's meet the Festool BELT TB-FT1 577154. This heavy-duty tool belt is designed for ultimate accessibility, keeping your tools right at your fingertips. Comfort is key with its adjustable belt and shoulder strap, making long hours on the job a breeze. With a modular pocket system and dedicated holders for your hammer and cordless screwdriver, everything has its place. Made from durable polyester with metal and plastic components, this tool belt is built to last. Elevate your work experience with the Festool BELT TB-FT1 577154.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.